Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the headlight on a Lexus ES300. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the battery negative terminal. Open the hood and locate the headlight assembly, then remove the access cover or wheel well liner as needed. Remove the bulb retaining clip, swap in the new bulb without touching the glass, secure everything, reconnect the battery, and test the light. Begin by locating the rear of the headlight assembly and finding the bulb cover or access panel. Remove any screws or clips holding the cover and set them aside where you won't lose them. Unplug the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling gently, then release the retaining clip or twist the bulb holder to remove the old bulb without forcing parts. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so you don't miss more car tips. Quick recommendation. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It fills your garage with music and makes hands-free timers handy while you work on bulbs. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. With the new bulb in hand, avoid touching the glass surface and insert it into the socket, aligning tabs properly. Fasten the retaining clip or twist the holder until it locks, then reconnect the wiring harness and tuck wiring away from moving parts. Replace access covers and any wheel well liners or screws, reconnect the battery negative terminal, and turn on the lights to verify correct aim and operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.